Hi, my name is Jason Francia, and if you've been looking for a townhome that looks and feels like a house, then this end unit in Santa Maria might surprise you in the best way. Located in a well-kept Santa Maria community, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome offers over 1,700 square feet of living space, an attached 2-car garage, and the privacy of an end unit. The living space has great energy, the fireplace gives that cozy feel, and the open layout is perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Timeless Spanish tile, rich wood cabinetry, updated lighting, and a clean laminate flooring keeps the style both classic and practical. The kitchen and dining flow right into each other. Then you got the private courtyard, your own little escape just outside the door. Whether it's a quiet morning coffee or dinner with friends, this space extends your living space without adding to your to-do list. Upstairs, the primary suite includes dual closets and private ensuite bath. The other 2 bedrooms are generously sized, each with walk-in closets and plenty of storage throughout. You'll also appreciate the attached 2-car garage with washer and dryer hookups and updated finishes that keep things clean, functional, and comfortable. It's low maintenance living, thoughtful design, and just the right amount of charm. So call me, DM me, send a carrier pigeon, and let's make your California dreams come true.